When I tell y'all this cream had no business being this dramatic, I put this on my face and my skin started acting like it just got a second chance at life. Centella said, rise up, and my dry patches packed their bags. This Madeca Cream by Centellian 24 is out here healing like it's collecting insurance money. Fine lines evicted. Dullness gone. My face is smoother than a Trinidadian man hollering. If your skin's been looking like it's going through a character arc, grab this. You won't be disappointed.